severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, Clay County, western Ray County, southeastern Platte County, northwestern Jackson County, until 5 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riverside, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kansas City, Independence, Liberty, Gladstone, Excelsior Springs, Smithville, Kearney, Parkville, North Kansas City, Sugar Creek, Riverside, Lawson, Weatherby Lake, Cloud-Como, Kansas City, Kansas, Courtney, Kansas City International Airport, Pleasant Valley, Lake Wakamas, and Glen Eyre. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile marker 0 and 4. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 416 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile marker 0 and 38. Interstate 35 in Kansas near mile marker 235. Interstate 29 between mile marker 0 and 11. Interstate 635 between mile markers 2 and 12. Interstate 435 between mile markers 36 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Wyandotte, Kansas, and the following counties in Missouri: Clay, Clinton, Jackson, Platte, and Ray.